Good morning, guys. It is, Thursday, and I am driving to work. It's really dark out. I'm wearing my glasses today before Lasik. I'm on day 2 of wearing leggings to work, so that's nice. And I just hit 3,000 subscribers, so that's pretty cool. It's pretty neat.
How neat is that? That's pretty neat.
In the time that I've been driving, so like 5 minutes since I talked to y'all last, I have decided that I'm going to do a full day of eating. Yay! Honestly, like, I'm kind of like bored with these, so I like try to make one interesting and like intersperse other stuff with it. But without me lifting right now, it's so hard. Like, I'm trying to find stuff to do, and it's like I want to do Christmas crafts and stuff like that, but I just, like, for the next couple days, I just don't have time. Joe and I are basically working until like 7 tonight, and then we have to drive up to my grandma's, which is where we'll stay for Lasik and stuff. But I'm gonna go ahead and start with a full day of eating, so you will see that now. My back hurts and I can't stop hiccuping. It's a seriously unfortunate case of the hiccups. Oh. I always feel like a little kid whenever I get the hiccups. Like.
Every night in my dreams, I see you, I feel you.
So, food update. I'm eating chicken from my bag because I don't have time to heat it up right now because I'm busy. So, 4 hours later, the hiccups have returned. It's really unfortunate. It hurts my back every time. What's up, guys? Back in my camera mount, and it looks pretty good, I think. Anyway, I just left work. I'm going to run an errand for work, and then I'm heading to the chiropractor again. This channel is going to turn into like Madeline's Adventures at the Chiropractor or something. But anyway, finally my hiccups are gone. They were kind of on and off like all day. But they've been gone for a good 30 minutes by this point. Finally. I was like the worst, because every time I hiccuped, it killed my back. And then I kept sneezing too, which was even worse. So, you know, just nice little surprise in the middle of the day. After the chiropractor, I think I'm gonna head home and start editing some video, and I also have to pack. Trying to make this turn. Let's go. Alright. And then later we are driving up to stay at my grandma's. So I guess I will check in with you guys later. I don't know if maybe it's because it's winter that I like haven't been noticing like any muscle gains, but I just like looked in the mirror and I'm just like, dang. Crazy. I didn't even know all those are back there. Good morning, friends. It is the day of my Lasik surgery, so I have no makeup on. I'm getting ready to go to the place. Joe's in the shower, and I'm going to go eat breakfast with my grandma, and then we're gonna hit the road and get moving on this surgery. I'm a little nervous. I mean, I get nervous for like shots and anything like that, so I think that's like the more nerve-wracking part for me, is like just the being in a doctor's office. I don't know. Anyway, I'll catch up with you in a little bit. All right, we are on the road to the doctor. Yay! And Joe's actually getting his like 2-week checkup now too, so, you know, being time efficient and stuff.
That's a little pocket of air underneath the flap that they've created on her cornea. Alright, so that she's experienced a lot of pressure on her eye. Now let's take a big breeze. And they're going to pull that flap back in just a second. That's one eye done. And then go to the other eye. So she can't really see much right now, but it's about to come into focus. So she can definitely see that light right there. It's kind of freaky. So this is a lot of pressure on the eye. It's the most uncomfortable part. Look how red and irritated that eye is. It's not happy right now. So when they pull her out, she's gonna be able to see.
When you watch it, you're like, oh.
Yeah, I was like, whoo!
Right, yeah. Once you do it, it's kidding right there.
Yeah. Cool.
Come on back here. All right. How you doing, Alan? All right. Good job. Let me do that. Make sure everything's good. Come on in here. All right.
Alright, so I'm done. And in about 10 minutes, the anesthetic's gonna wear off and my eyes are gonna hurt. So I figured I'd get a little bit of footage in before that comes around, but it's cool. Like I can already see like pretty much perfectly minus a little bit of haze. So yeah. And now I'm gonna go take a nap and wake up and see better. So Joseph's gonna be in charge of the camera up until that point.
This is her happy place. she's all tucked in.
Where are my M&Ms?
They're over there. Yep.
Yes. Now it's a happy place.
Nice and tucked in Grandma's spare quarters. Mmm.
Are you like right here?
Delicious. Anyway, guys, that's Madeline blind eating M&Ms. Yep. So we're going to take a nap and watch some Master of None. Yeah.
I wanna listen to it.
Master of None. She's not gonna watch anything. She's gonna watch Blackness.
Alright guys, so it is now 5 o'clock. My procedure it happened around noon, I believe. And I can see very well. It's pretty cool. Joe described it as like when you swim like in a chlorine pool for a while and your vision gets a little fuzzy. That's basically what it looks like right now. But overall, it's pretty awesome. My eyes are still a little stingy, but not too bad. Like it just kind of feels like I slept in my contacts. And yeah, so now I'm going to go edit some video and upload. I have to upload day 18 right now. And I think that's about it.
Here's our stuff sack.
Current ab
Here, filled with
situation.
snow. Just so far been the most
Far
intense
into
finger yet.
a bulk
Hold our dynamics here.
phase.
We couldn't pull it out. In addition to just totally embedding itself in here, it's not completely immovable ice. Somebody actually used as a snow anchor, no joking, a Snickers.
So we're about to start eating dinner with Grandma, and this is going to conclude this day. I'm going to combine this with my footage of my follow-up appointment tomorrow, but this is going to conclude today of vlogging, so we'll see y'all in the morning. Alright guys, so it's the morning after surgery, and it's crazy, I can see everything. It was weird waking up in the middle of the night and being able to like see whatever I wanted, so that was really cool. My eyes do still feel like I slept in my contacts. They're a little bit dry, a little bit gritty, and a little bit hazy, but other than that, I mean, I can see really well. It's pretty cool, so I'm excited about it. And so I've got my follow-up appointment this morning, and then we're gonna be heading over to my parents' house. So I will bring you guys along to the doctor, and then I guess that'll kind of close out my Lasik video, and then we'll begin the next day of Vlogmas. So see y'all at the doctor. Alright, so we're waiting outside the doctor's office, and we're about to watch some Master of None. We're like 30 minutes early to my appointment. We didn't realize we'd get here so quickly, and
I did. I realized.
well, you know what? I'm glad we're early. So, and I'm about to drink some green juice. I haven't had any like real nutritious food in the last few days, I feel like, so time for some veggies in a bottle. And we're about to watch Master of None, so we'll check in with y'all in a little bit. Alright, so the doc said my eyes look good. A little bit of dryness, but that's to be expected. So I've got to take my antibiotic and steroid eye drops for about a week, and then should be feeling good. So yeah, so I guess this is going to conclude my Lasik day of Vlogmas. Thank you guys for watching, and stay tuned for 6 more days, I believe. That says Vlogmas is almost over dance. I can't believe I've made it this long, so thank you guys for watching. We love you. Give it a thumbs up, subscribe if you haven't.